Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can create the another version of us in CapCut using AI effect. So we can turn our face into a different gender. Let's get started. The first thing you should do is open your CapCut and then you have to click on New Project. And then after that, choose the photo that you want to turn it into a different gender. And wait for a moment. I'm choosing my photo. I'm choosing this photo. And then after that, you can click on Add right here. And wait for a moment, guys. It's still loading. All right, and then after that you can click on the photo that you want to turn into a different gender. Wait for a moment. You can click on the photo, and then after that you can choose style right here. And then there will be a lot of options for you, and choose AI painting. It's right here. Click on AI painting and then choose the style that you want. You have to scroll your screen to the right. And if you want to create the male version of you have to choose this filter. But if you want to create female version, you just have to click on this filter. And I'm going to choose this male version of me and wait until it's 100%. And already guys, this is the male version of me. And after that you can click this check mark. Okay guys, that's how we can create the another version of us with AI effect on CapCut. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye.